we greet you now. Welcome now specially to this our channel. We are not saying our latest updated updates. Now we dey carry come from now for this channel. So I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. I beg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una. Today, President Tinubu, Nigerian new president, in give speech concerning democracy, where he for talk say make Nigerians and citizens of Nigeria not take democracy for granted. Though he say this democracy so na to remember the past heroes wey be say they suffer well to make sure say democracy stand for Nigeria. He call names, so including MKO Abiola. We all know his story, wetin he go through for Nigeria to take ensure say democracy can stand and everything. Anyway, my people, some people will be say they understand and know the story of how Abiola take suffer for inside Nigeria. Don't pay homage, don't pay visit to his place. He resident for Lagos, for Ikeja. And make I play on this video now, make una hear some of the people will be say they visit the resident for Lagos. What did they talk about MKO Abiola?
I would describe him as a mover, a great leader, a revolutionist, and indeed a unifier. Every part of Nigeria voted for MKO Abiola, believed in MKO Abiola, and indeed it was no surprise that despite the Muslim ticket, every single person from the chief imam in the north to the cardinal or the bishop in the south and the southwest or the northwest, every single person voted, believed, and stood behind MKO Abiola.
Abiola is a man of history, very selfless in all ramification. He was a business mogul, and you should not forget that he practically grew his business by himself with the grace of God. He almost practically schooled himself, and this goes to show that he's a man of destiny. And he was able to galvanize all interests, from the old politician, the old blocks, to the contemporary bloc when he contested, beyond tendencies.
So plenty people really come outside, come talk concerning this late MKO Abiola how he take fights, we see he go through for Nigeria, and the kind mind wey he get. In those days, in a businessman, publisher, and in a big politician for Yoruba land. He also then was a supreme military politician. Na him be that time supreme military commander for Oyo Empire in those days. He really stand for democracy for Nigeria, but you know enjoy am o. Una know as the story take play. Abiola take go how the June 12 story take start, say come dey fight for a mandate and everything. To the extent they can't even call land for inside kiri like this. So my people, and the updates will carry come for now this time be this how people they go pay homage and respect to let MKO Abiola, a resident for inside Lagos. Make una drop una comment and una read this story, and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian?